Hello, my name is Iqbal Singh Josan, and I'm here for the next IoT task that I'm going to record a short video. Uh, so I'm at my programming station again over here, and so today my task is to focus on the Edge Cluster Manager that I've been testing for a while on my IoT device. So, so first, the Edge Cluster Manager, it's supposed to manage more than one deployed devices in the field. So this is a product from Google, like Google Cloud Platform, GCP. It's not out uh, for general use, but I'm part of their Google Partner Program. So they gave me pre-release versions of this product, so which I can use in my prototype to test it out and provide them feedback so that when the final version comes in, it's free of any bugs and it has all the required features. Okay, so first I just log into the terminal window on my device and just check the health of my Edge cluster, which I had installed for, and it's been running for past few weeks. Okay, so I just see the status of all the services they are running. It had stopped once, but that was because there was a power cycle for the board, but it's running again, and it doesn't seem like there is any issues over there. I would also check the network connectivity for these services on the Edge cluster. It is the Kubernetes containers which are running. So the cluster is good. And issue a few more commands here. Just check the API resources here. API versions. Yeah, so I do have all the APIs which are still accessible, the certificates and the policies, the role-based access control and scheduling, everything is good. Okay, so now this is on the device, I'm on the device. So now, because the device is actually connected to the backend, to the Google Cloud IoT Core, so I have to go into the Cloud IoT Core, which is a web-based console, and look at the health of my device from there. So let me go to the relevant screen here. Well, yeah, so here is Edge Cluster Registry, where I have a device configured here as Edge Cluster. And it shows me the status of the latest activity, and it shows like it just received a heartbeat, a MQTT message from the device at 11:02:30 a.m., July 26th. So that was like 2 minutes back. So it is still alive. See, and in the cloud is receiving heartbeat messages from the device. So, so this web console helps me to monitor the health of my cluster devices, all the devices which are deployed in the Edge cluster. I know how they are doing. And this is very important when we deploy a large number of hundreds of devices in the field. You need something like this on the cloud, which can help us remotely monitor these devices and just and see if the devices are still in good health and working fine, running all the processes they are supposed to. So that said, this has been running since, there was one error I see on July 18th, but that I know why it happened. It was because there was a power cycle. I did a power cycle on my edge computing board, which is in my lab over there on my prototype station, and that caused this error. But after that, once the device comes back up again, it again resumes getting those messages. So now I'm confident about the health of this device, and from the cloud, what I need to do, my next step here is to move forward with the next deployment phase of this Edge cluster. So here I have as part of this Google Partner Program, I do have they have provided me a document, which is not a public document, but inside to Google only, and it's only shared with the Google partners. So I'm following their specifications. They have given me a deployment template, which I need to use to deploy my training models on the device. The thing is, I build the training model in the cloud, and then I push it to the device for final execution on the device itself. it's a TensorFlow training model, which will use the tensor processing unit on my device, right? So for that, I have this template. So my next task will be, it will take some more couple of hours or more time to build this template to the cloud specifications so that I can finally test it out, you know. So final testing, so I already have a training model built on the cloud. I can show you a snapshot of that. It should be here, IoT core. I have to go to the vision models. Okay. So here you see this is a model which is already built. It shows the how many images are there in the model, and so this is already there in the cloud. But once I have the deployment template ready for the edge deployment, I will use this model to deploy it to the device for testing. So pretty much that's it. So that's my task for today. And moving on, I'll spend more time on this building the template and everything for deployment. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.